joins us now from the Save-On Foods Memorial Center as Salmon Kings are getting ready for a pretty big game. Jeff.
Yeah, pretty big game. You know, I probably should get my temperature checked, Scott, because I think I have Kelly Cup fever.
No, you.
Yes, I just might. The playoffs are here. I'm telling you. I'm excited. That's what these guys play all season for. Yes, the Salmon Kings home to the Bakersfield Condors tonight. Round one of the ECHL's Kelly Cup playoffs. Now, the Salmon Kings enter as the underdogs. The Condors were ranked second overall in the National Conference, where the Salmon Kings enter as the 7th seed into the playoffs. But they were pretty close during the regular season. They won 5-1 during their meetings. But you know what? Slate is wiped clean. It is a brand new series tonight, and defenseman Patrick Colombe joins me right now. And it's a best-of-5 series, Patrick. First two games here. Huge game, to say the least, for you guys tonight.
Yeah, that's for sure. Like both games, first two games will be huge for us here in front of our fans. But like I said, it's we have to start tonight with a big one, and then the game starts at 7, and not tomorrow, not at 8 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. So we got to be ready. We got to be sharp. First shift, first face off, and then we'll still we're looking for a win.
I guess you are. They've sort of loaded up their team. They've got some AHL talent, and most notably, they have Kyle Calder, who's an 11-year NHL veteran in the lineup. How do you guys sort of look towards that?
Well, yeah, they got a few sent down, and then of course they got a good team, but we're good too. And then I got a lot of respect for Calder, that he's playing in the NHL a lot, but he's still a hockey player, like me, like Wes Goldie, like Adam Taylor, and the game's it's on the ice. It's 60 minutes on the ice, and then the hardest worker is gonna win.
Now, you just got back from injury. You were out for 2 months with a concussion. You just made it back last weekend for your first time in 8 weeks. Tell me about how that felt and how you're feeling just heading into the playoffs.
Right now, I'm feeling great. I was a little bit nervous my first game back because, concussion, I can't take any chance with it. But in the last 2 months, I had headaches and stuff. It was hard to watch the game and then not being a part of it. But like I said, right now I'm feeling great, and then we're starting a new season right now, the playoffs. So I'm ready, and everyone else in the dressing room over there is ready too.
And people have to understand this about hockey. I mean, really, yes, you're nervous about it being playoffs, but first shift, you get out there, you get a hit or you get a shot, and then it's just like another game.
Yeah, exactly. It's still a hockey game, I've been playing that game all my life for 62 games this season. Same for my teammates. So it's still a hockey game, maybe with a little bit more emotion, and then we gotta take advantage of it, especially tonight because we're home, and then it's gonna be a huge game.
Nice. Patrick, good luck tonight. Go get them, and hopefully we're talking about a win here at about 10 o'clock.
Yeah, thank you very much.
There's Patrick Colombe, defenseman here with the Salmon Kings, and like he said, it starts here at 7 o'clock tonight. Now, I can tell you that the Vancouver Canucks lost